Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. Just got the latest from BattlBox. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so as per usual, you get the full rundown of all your items. This is mission number 64, and they give you a kind of a storyline in the back and you know how you can use some of the different items. Also, they tossed in here something pretty interesting, a Netflix original series, Southern Survival, starting July 3rd. So I'll be interested to check that out. And on the back, same thing. So July 3rd on Netflix, Southern Survival. That should be interesting. Check that out. Alright, so your first item comes in this tiny little container. It's a Going Gear micro stove. This is what it actually looks like. You basically screw that onto your propane container, your propane canister. These things swing around so you can put your pan or your cook pot on top of it. Obviously, extremely small. You're talking like 3 inches by 2 inches by about an inch. So super compact. They're pricing this as far as your value at $14.99. Next up we have this, which is the GloCo rechargeable LED headlamp. The value in this at $24.99. So micro USB rechargeable, as you can see there. Get your instructions. And then here's a look at the headlamp. Looks pretty basic. I don't know if there's, yeah, there we go. It's charged already. So see if I can cycle through some different settings here. Alright, so now that I've basically blinded myself with the light, so you're going to use the left-hand side to turn it on, and then cycling through on the right side. You can see it's already on the flashing option. So here's your different outputs. You got your standard where it's just putting light out of the middle, and then when you cycle through here, you're getting light basically out of the light that's around the edge, and then you get both the center light and the edge light. Then you get a red light on the around the edge, then you get a flashing red light. So lots of different options for this guy. USB, micro USB is there on the bottom. Turn this off so it'll stop flashing there. It is adjustable, so you can angle it down. Single strap, nothing over the top of your head. So I've never heard of GloCo, or I probably heard the name, but I've definitely never used any of their products that I can think of. So valued at $24.99. That's your second item. Your next item is Hero Healer. This is a 36-inch flat pack field ready splint. And so you've got this soft material on the outside, and it's got some sort of like moldable, bendable material. I've seen these before. I'm gonna keep this in the package because this is gonna go right into a first aid kit. But basically it's a lightweight splint, lightweight, reusable, radiolucent, waterproof, compact, and versatile. So C curve strong. So basically it's got a cup around something. Create a longitudinal bend to give the splint strength and immobilize the limb. Reverse C-curve stronger. So some of the information there right on the front. I'm no medical expert, but I do know having a good medical kit, tourniquet, and a splint also is a great thing to have as well. And they're valuing this at $9.99. Next up we have these, which are NOSK, I guess, maybe NOSK, nasal filters, dust, pollen, allergy, pollution. Basically you put them up your nose and it filters out the gunk, it looks like. So that's valued at $6, $5.99, and then they threw one of these in for free. It's an N95 mask, which in our day and age, having something like this is always good. All right, the next level we have this, which is the SOG Snippet tool. This is valued at basically just under $30, $29.95, and yeah, so scissors with finger guard, 7 tools in one on the back. You'll see here, toothpick, tweezers, scissors, bottle opener, jewelry driver, flathead screwdriver, blade, fingernail file, all those things on the back. Generally, I've liked my SOG multi-tools over the years. So this is a cool little one. I'm wondering if I may put this in a med kit as well, just to have something like this, immediately available for, what all the different uses, cutting, slicing. You could keep this certainly in your car, like in your glove box or something like that, so you can use it for medical things, but also just for, general day-to-day stuff. The weight is 2 ounces. The steel is 5CR15 MOV. Some people get concerned about that. For me, for a multi-tool like this, which I'm not going to be using every single day, I generally don't mind. And something like a 5CR is going to be relatively easy to sharpen, I would say. So when you got to sharpen up those scissor blades or the cutting blade, it shouldn't be a problem. So that's your next level. So you got basic and then advanced, and this is valued at $29.95. Okay, next item valued at $59.95 is this, which is the SOG Camp Axe, and I have one of these and I really like it. Super lightweight. This is not going to be something that you're going to chop down a ton of trees with, but I can remember processing branches off like a long thin pine tree, I think it was a hemlock maybe, but lightweight. easy to use, versatile. The steel in this one is 2CR13. It's okay, nothing fancy as far as the steel, but yeah, nice little, it's really a hatchet, you know, a tiny little, like a camp hatchet for processing wood and doing some tasks. And because you got that nice big recess there, you can get your hand up there to do some cutting and chopping or some more detail work, I would say. So yeah, definitely a cool tool. Value for this one, again, $59.95. Yeah, I like this thing. I haven't had or used the Snippet multi-tool from SOG, but I have definitely used this, and I like this one. All right, last up here for the knife of the month from Buck and Bear, valued at $129.99. We have a titanium flipper, VG10 Damascus steel. So let me flip this open for you. So that's what that looks like. It reminds me of something from Ferrum Forge, kind of has a similar look. But cool looking blade. $129.99 for a VG10. It's probably a bit expensive, I would say, but it is a good looking knife. Frame lock on the back there. Pocket clip is it a reversible? Not reversible, so it's going to be right hand carry right there. So again, that's your knife of the month, and that value for this one is $129.99. All right, here's some thoughts and feedback. A little bit disappointed with the SOG Camp Axe, not because I don't like it, but because I already have one. I always like to check out new products. But for you guys who don't have one, I definitely like that as a, you know, compact little bushcrafting or camp tool. I think that's definitely a good thing. The Snippet, I'll be interested to check that one out a little bit more and mess around with it. I do like that they include medical stuff. Medical stuff, I feel for like a lot of people, they're like not impressed with it, but it is important to have good medical gear with you. So I like the splint. The micro stove, I'll have to check that out. The GloCo light, it's fine. I've got plenty of other headlamps personally. The biggest as far as value, or value versus the value described versus value I'm getting, I've just got a ton of knives, and so honestly I'm not sure how much use this one is going to get. I think it's a cool looking knife. Like I said, it reminds me of Ferrum Forge, but $129.99 feels like kind of high to me for the value for this one. But you know, if you hop online and dig around, usually when I've done the research, what BattlBox is charging, you're like 90% of the time I'm getting a better deal via BattlBox versus what I'm going to find at, you know, another store, Amazon or something like that, because they're getting things at a reduced rate because of you know, buying them in bulk. But so that one's, you know, okay for me. I think the box overall is good. I do like SOG's multi-tools in general. I still think Leatherman's the best out there, but I think SOG makes a good product as well. And I'll be interested to mess around with that one. Definitely psyched for you guys if you got this and you don't have one of the SOG Camp Axes. That should be fun for you to test out and check out. So real quick, for anybody who hasn't seen my unboxing videos, I get BattlBox, I get Hunt Vault, I get a couple other subscription boxes and different companies I work with, kind of on again, off again. But between the number of items there and also other products I'm reviewing, I don't have time to review all the items completely and thoroughly that come in a subscription box. So really my unboxings are more to tell you about what's in here and to show you kind of the overall value that you're getting from a particular company. So if you want to, go back and check out other BattlBox videos that I've unboxed, so you can see kind of the general amount and style of items that you'll get from BattlBox. So give me your thoughts and feedback. What do you like about this box? What would you change? Yeah, let's get the discussion started in the comment section. All right, guys, thanks as always for checking out the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.